Hey everyone, Christina here, and I am in my bathrobe. As you can see, I just got out of the shower, and I wanted to make a video because I want to document this journey. So, I am the founder of happywomen.co. I am a mom to 4. I am a small business owner, and I decided that I needed help to get back on track with not only weight loss, but just cleaning up my diet. I have come to terms with the fact that I think I am addicted. Not I think, I know that I'm addicted to eating, to ordering out, and the quick fix. And I am starting to feel the effects of that. So I had a medical scare this week. I found out that I was anemic and that I need to readjust everything in my menus and everything, in terms of what I put in my mouth. So I went on a fitness journey, a weight loss journey after my twins were born back in 2015, and I lost weight and I started feeling so great, and I would work out every single day and I just felt so much better. I had so much energy, but along the way, something happened. I turned 40 in last June, and I don't know, I guess I don't want to say that I lost interest, but I just let things slip here and there. Then I would say, it's okay, it doesn't matter, I'll pick up again next week. And, next week would come and I would slip up again. And then that would turn into this whole thing of like the whole month I would eat basically like junk and order in and waste all this money on Uber Eats. And anyways, so I decided that I needed to change. And especially after I got that scare this week, with my blood, the results coming back and my iron being as low as it is, I knew that I needed to make a change. So what's happening is I have been really, really tired lately, like exhausted tired. So, and I always thought it's normal because obviously I have 4 kids, I'm a mom, and I would just push through. But what I didn't realize was that I was fueling my body with sugar and caffeine just to keep up with everyone and everything that, moms do on a day-to-day basis. And I thought it was normal. But what I was doing in reality was like fueling myself with junk just to keep up and not really paying attention to the real problem, right? So I decided that I needed to make a change, and this is why I'm filming this. So tomorrow is day 1 of my new, meal planning and just eating well and trying to lose a little bit of weight, but mostly for me, it's just an energy thing. And it's a feeling thing. Like I want to feel better. I want to feel strong. I want to feel healthy. I want to have energy to play with my kids and not feel like I need to sleep all the time. I feel like I look sick. I'm very, very white. And again, I really thought this was just because, I'm in Canada and in the summertime, it's really gray outside in Quebec. So I thought this was normal. And, my mood has been off lately and I've been more depressed than usual. So anyways, I said I need to do something. And this is my video, holding myself accountable, encouraging anyone that feels the same way as I do to do something about it. And I wanted to post about it. And I will be posting about it and sharing recipes and how I'm feeling and new things I find out and all that good stuff. So I invite you to follow along, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let me know, where you're subscribing from. I know I could do this. I did it a few years back and I just felt great. So I decided to go back to the basics, with a little bit more homework this time, a little bit more research, and really just trying to get back on track so I could have the most fabulous 40s ever. And that's it. So I wanted to document this for you guys, especially my women friends, people that are turning, women that are turning 40 soon or that have turned 40. You feel such a shift, I find, in the universe when you turn 40. And people say this all the time, but I didn't really realize how true it was until I turned 40 last year, and I just felt, like a shift with everything. So anyways, I hope you guys are having an awesome night so far, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Bye.